Yeah, and I had my shoulder replaced, one building over,
Yeah.
right? And I always saw this dentist office, right? And I used to inspect ships, right? If it looks nice and shiny and painted, you know it inside is going to look the same way. So I took a gamble and came in. And
I'm glad you
the receptionist was actually very nice. And there was this dentist there, Dr. Al.
I know. He's all right.
I came here for teeth cleaning, right?
Yeah.
And they found several issues with my teeth, this and that. You know, they had a nice explanation, the dental plan, how much it's going to cost, and this and that, right?
Absolutely.
And everybody was over the top polite. I was thinking they were like, you know, this is all fake. People are not like this in the dental office. I expected the best experience I have ever had. Actually, I got numb. I could not believe it. This is the first time since I was a little kid.
That you got really numb, or like, oh, this is what no, this feels like.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and it worked. They done the treatment. I had 2 bad teeth, right?
Yeah.
And so I'm here. I have my crowns now. Anyway, I highly recommend Dr. Al.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
I just have to get him a thank you.